crowd, inspired by Magic Johnson's inspirational stand in life, is standing here at the Great Western Forum. A round of applause that's thunderous, telling the team, we don't have Magic in person, but we got him in our prayers, and just keep going. You're going to be all right. A new co-captain for the Lakers is Byron Scott. Right now, let's get down to Lawrence Kantner, and he's got a special introduction to make.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Your attention, please. At this time, will you please direct your attention to midcourt, where Laker co-captain James Worthy has an important announcement to share.
As we all realize today, in the last few days, has been extremely trying for all of us, and it's been a major challenge for all of us, and all of us feel the same at this particular point. But it's one thing that we've decided as a team, and that's to do what Magic would want us to do. He's given us so much over the last 12 years, and he's just continuing to give. Unfortunately, he's given in a way that none of us had hoped or none of us had imagined, but he's still giving even today. And it's absolutely and it's very important to us, and I'm sure it is to him, that we continue to play, continue to have the same attitude, and continue to win, not only on this behalf, there's nothing more that Urban would want than continue that. And by making the courageous day that he's had the last couple of days, it's only fair that we give him in return the same kind of courageous faith and the same kind of courageous confidence and the same kind of courageous support that he's given over the last 12 years. And I would just like to Magic has a message that he wants to relay to not only his teammates, but to all of you. And so I'll begin to read that. It states, I can't begin to tell you how much strength my family and I are getting from the tremendous support we receive from the media, from the fans in Los Angeles, and from so many people everywhere. While I won't be on the court anymore, I want you to know that I'll be here in my usual ways, bugging my teammates, coaches, and Jerry West. And he states that to tell Dr. Buss that he'll be calling to renegotiate with you real soon. I'll keep trying to teach the sports writer something about basketball. And most important, I'll be here to give high fives and to keep thanking you fans for the support you've given to everyone who has ever played for the Lakers. But I most want to tell you that this is the first day of the rest of our lives. I say this to you fans because we, the Lakers, need your support more than ever before. I say this to all my teammates because starting now, it's winning time. And I'm saying it to myself because I have an important battle to fight. And in this battle, you all are my teammates. Sincerely, Urban. Thank you.
and gentlemen, to honor America, remain standing for the singing of our national anthem this evening by Reverend Carolyn Cookie Brown.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming in the rocket's bursting in air, give proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave? Oh,